Hello guys, welcome to Digirity, WinX DVD channel. Today, I'm gonna to show you how to convert DVD VideoTS folder to MP4 format. A VideoTS folder contains all the DVD's video data and playback information. Inside the folder, we can see a bunch of files with names ending in IFO, BUP and VOB. Although it is good to have a full backup of our DVD, VideoTS folder is really hard to manage. It uses a lot of memory. And it is impossible to play on mobiles. So, we'd like to convert VideoTS folder into a single smaller file in a more mainstreaming format, such as MP4. To do this, we can use WinX DVD Ripper Platinum. This program can convert DVD discs, ISO image files, as well as VideoTS folders to a common file format. So next, we'll show you how to convert DVD VideoTS folder to MP4 with WinX DVD Ripper Platinum. First of all, we need to download and install WinX DVD Ripper Platinum on our computer. Once done, just open this tool and then enter a valid email and license code to activate it. If you haven't got one yet, just click the Remind Me Later button and try it for free. Then, follow the steps below. Step 1. Click the folder button to browse and select the VideoTS folder we want to convert to MP4. After that, it will start loading all the titles in our DVD, and it will auto-check the main title for us. Step 2. When the loading is finished, we'll see the output profile window. Expand the general profiles, and then choose MP4 video. Then, click OK to confirm and exit. Step 3. Hit the Run button. Then, the conversion will begin immediately. Now, we just need to wait for it to export the output. It won't be long because it supports GPU acceleration. So that's it. If this tutorial is helpful for you, smash the like button and get subscribed for more awesome tech tutorials. If you are facing some problems, leave them down in the comments. We'll try our best to help you. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.